Master stakeholder management for your project. Effective stakeholder management is essential for project success. Stakeholders are anyone who has a vested interest in the project or its outcome. Managing these relationships ensures clear communication, alignment, and overall project success. Without proper stakeholder management, projects are at risk of misalignment and delays. What is stakeholder management? Stakeholder management is the process of identifying, engaging, and managing all individuals or groups that have an interest in the project. This includes understanding their needs, expectations, and how they can influence the project. By managing these relationships, you can minimize conflicts and enhance project support. Key steps in stakeholder management. And identify stakeholders. The first step is identifying who the stakeholders are and their level of involvement. 2. Analyze stakeholders. Understand their expectations, influence, and how they might affect your project. 3. Prioritize stakeholders. Not all stakeholders are equal. Some have more influence, and others may require more attention. 4. Develop a communication plan. Tailor your communication approach to the needs and preferences of each stakeholder group. 5. Engage stakeholders. Actively involve them throughout the project to ensure their needs are addressed. Benefits of effective stakeholder management. Alignment ensures all parties are on the same page, reducing confusion and miscommunication. Support helps gain the necessary buy-in and resources from key stakeholders. Risk reduction minimizes the chance of conflicts that could derail the project. Conclusion. Stakeholder management is not just about managing relationships. It's about building trust and ensuring project success. By identifying key stakeholders and managing them effectively, you can keep your project on track and deliver the best possible results.